In this video, I shall tell you the best OTG ovens that you can buy now in India. Before I move on, I also like to tell you the various types of ovens so that you will know how OTGs differ from other types of ovens. If you are here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our notifications. Solo microwave oven, grill microwave oven, convection microwave oven and OTG oven are the four types of oven that you will get to see in the market today. Solo microwave ovens are the basic ones as they can only be used for reheating, defrosting, and cooking that we normally carry out in a pressure cooker or in a kadhai with a closed lid. In a grill microwave oven, you can do everything you do in a solo microwave oven, plus you can grill meat and vegetables. But convection microwave ovens are the ones that can be used for all sorts of tasks, including baking, toasting, grilling, cooking, reheating, and defrosting. Similarly, OTG ovens are capable of performing almost all the functions of convection microwave ovens. There are, however, several differences between these two that you should know before you buy one for yourself. First of all, OTG ovens normally take 15 to 20 minutes to preheat, while convection microwave ovens take only about 5 minutes. Convection microwaves have a maximum capacity of 32 liters, whereas OTGs have a maximum capacity of 60 liters. OTG ovens are less expensive, and you may be able to find one for as little as Rs 2500, but convection microwaves cost about 8000 and upwards. OTG ovens have manual controls, while convection microwaves have digital controls and displays. OTG ovens do not have auto cook options, but convection microwaves do have auto cook options. OTG ovens take more time to cook than convection microwaves. OTG ovens consume less power than convection microwaves. An OTG normally comes with a stay-on or timer bypass feature that allows you to keep the oven switched on till you turn it off manually, while the convection microwave does not come with this feature. Lastly, an OTG is the best choice if you want professional level baking quality. On the other hand, a convection microwave is also a great choice for baking at home and for preparing different recipes with ease. In this video, I have included OTG ovens in every price range. I have also mentioned the pros and cons of every OTGs in this video. In addition, I have also provided the prices of each OTG, as well as links to buy them in the description. At number 5, we have Borosil Prima. This 1000 watt OTG oven comes with a capacity of 10 liters. It has 3 different cooking modes, top heating, bottom heating, and both sides heating, which allows it to be used for baking, toasting, and grilling. It features an adjustable temperature control that ranges from 90 to 240 degrees. There is also a mechanical timer that allows you to set the cooking time for up to 30 minutes, and a stay-on function that helps to keep the food warm, even after the cooking process is over. Several accessories are included with the oven, including a cooking tray, grill rack, tray handle, and removable crumb tray. The only con that I could find in this product is its size, as this oven may seem a little small for a family of 2 or more people. This OTG oven from Borosil is priced at approximately Rs 2800. Moreover, this value for money product is covered by a 1-year warranty. At number 4, we have Bajaj 1603T. This 1200 watt OTG oven has a capacity of 16 liters and can be used for baking, grilling, and toasting. It has 2 heating elements, one at the top and one at the bottom. This OTG oven features 3 separate knobs for controlling the heating element, temperature, and timer. The thermostat knob can be used for setting the temperature from 0 to 250 degrees. The heater element knob can be used for selecting the mode of cooking, and the timer knob for setting the cooking time up to 60 minutes. Not to mention, the oven comes with a baking tray tong, crumb tray, 4 skewer rods and wire grill cum barbecue tray. The crumb tray makes it easy for you to clean the appliance after use. The only con that I could find in this product is that it doesn't have an illuminated chamber, making it a little difficult to monitor the food preparation process. This OTG oven is priced at approximately Rs 3900. And also it comes with a warranty of 2 years. At number 3 is Morphy Richards 60R CSS. This 2000 watt OTG oven comes with a capacity of 60 liters. There are 4 heating elements in this oven. Besides baking, grilling, and toasting, this oven can also be used for rotisserie. It features 3 knobs, temperature control knob, function select knob, and timer knob. The function select knob allows you to set the mode of cooking. The timer knob can be used for setting the cooking time up to 60 minutes, and the temperature control knob for setting the temperature from 100 to 250 degrees. There are several accessories included with this OTG oven, including a removable crumb tray, wire rack, rotisserie rod set, tong, baking tray, rotisserie tong, and 4 skewers. This oven also features a convection function that distributes the heat uniformly to help speed up the cooking process. Additionally, the stay-on function allows the food to remain warm for up to 2 hours after it has been cooked. This OTG oven from Morphy Richards is priced at approximately Rs 16,000 on normal days, and you may get this product for a much lower price during an offer or sale. The only con I could find in this oven is that at this price, it would have been better if it had a digital display to set the temperature precisely. Additionally, this product comes with a 2-year warranty. At number 2, we have Agaro Grand. This OTG oven from Agaro comes with a capacity of 40 liters. You can bake, grill, toast, and rotisserie with this oven. It features a function knob that allows you to select among 6 different heating modes. Also included is a temperature control knob that can be used to set the temperature between 90 and 230 degrees, and a timer knob that allows you to set the cooking time up to 60 minutes. It also has a ready bell that rings after the cooking is done, and the appliance automatically shuts off. In addition, there is a convection fan that distributes heat evenly. Not to mention, the oven comes with a rotisserie handle, rotisserie rod, tray handle, crumb tray, grilling tray and baking tray. Overall, I was unable to find any major cons with this product. Finally, this OTG oven is priced at approximately Rs 5,900. In addition, the product is covered by a 1-year warranty. At number 1, we have Philips HD 697500. This 1500-watt OTG oven comes with a capacity of 25 liters. This oven can be used for baking, roasting, broiling, toasting, and grilling. This oven features an op-temp technology that allows uniform cooking of the ingredients, resulting in optimum browning and better crispiness. Also, it has 10 preset menus that let you simply select the dish name, and it automatically adjusts the temperature and time. Additionally, the digital display panel makes it highly convenient for selecting the modes, recipes, time, and temperature. Moreover, it has a chamber light that allows you to monitor the food as it cooks. Several accessories are included with this oven, including a crumb tray, rotisserie tong, baking tray, rotisserie rod, baking tray tong, and grilling rack. You can also get this oven with a capacity of 36 liters. Also, I was unable to find any major cons as such with this product. This OTG oven from Philips is priced at approximately Rs 7,100. Moreover, this product is covered by a 2-year warranty. In the description, I have provided links to the products mentioned in the video. Do comment if you have any questions related to buying an OTG oven, and do let us know which model you are planning to buy. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, then do like the video and hit the subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video.